Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eve's once here again. So as you can see from the title, today I'm going to show you how I use my facial roller. Here I'll be using the Gua Sha facial roller kit. This kit contains the Jade roller and it also has the Gua Sha stone. This here is basically a stone, it's like a marble, so you have to be very careful when handling this because it's breakable. I've got a link in my description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. This has got so many great benefits for your skin, especially on your face. So without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, I'll need to start on a clean face. I'll get my favorite facial wash, and with the help of my facial brush, I will just clean up my face very well. Afterwards, I'll rinse it off with lukewarm water. So as you can see, my face is fresh and clean. Next, I'll come in with my facial serum. Here I'm using my vitamin C facial serum. You can use an oil if that is what you have. Now I'll get my roller and I'll start rolling it on my face. I will move from the inside outwards. So I'm supposed to pass on the same spot for about 3 to 4 times. The main reason I love this roller is the fact that it helps absorb whatever oil or serum you put on your skin very well. It also helps to kind of iron out your skin. This will really help you if you've got some blemishes on your face. If you've got fine lines or wrinkles, this will help iron them out. It works especially well to remove laugh lines and also the fine lines on your forehead. You can use it on your under eye area to help remove eye bags. If you've got saggy skin under your chin, this is going to come in handy. And I will use it on my neck area. As you can see, I'm doing it from the lower part of my neck to the upper part of my neck. Now you can also use this Gua Sha, but I must say when I use the roller I don't use the Gua Sha, and when I use this Gua Sha I don't use the roller. This also basically does a job similar to the Jade roller. The shape is perfect for your cheekbone area and your under eye area. I must say, this is not only for the face, this is especially very good for other parts of your body, especially your shoulder area. This feels so good on your skin. Apart from the fact that it's going to improve your skin, it also helps you relax very well. So I basically do this for about 3 minutes in a day. Maximum results, you should do this every day. Also use it on my collarbone area. For those of you with cellulite and stretch marks, this is going to help improve the appearance of them. It will be for another video. I hope you did enjoy this and I hope I did help you. As I said, I've got the purchase link in the description box and it will be pinned to the first comment as well. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit my subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.